The new Mercedes Maybach S Class sets out with a clear objective: to redefine what a luxury sedan can be. The transformation is both technical and emotional, a vehicle conceived as a place of absolute relaxation, supreme craftsmanship, and technological sophistication. The Mercedes-Benz operating system, MBOS, used for the first time in a Maybach model, creates a digital experience that is intuitive, elegant, and intelligent. The new Mercedes Maybach S Class can be ordered in the first European markets from March 25, 2026, with further markets to follow. The Mercedes Maybach S Class has always exuded presence. Now it makes an even more commanding appearance. The enlarged radiator grille conveys confidence and grandeur. Illuminated accents the grille's contour. The Maybach lettering, and depending on the market, the upright Mercedes-Benz star on the hood and the emblem on the C-pillar lend a festive touch to every appearance. Rose gold elements in the twin-star headlights add a refined, jewelry-like touch. The Maybach pattern in the air intakes appears in gleaming chrome. V12 models are identifiable by a new emblem in the radiator grille. A discrete projector in the side sills projects the Maybach logo onto the ground when entering and exiting the vehicle, an understated, elegant touch. At the rear, the finely sculpted taillights mirror the star motifs of the front. The redesigned two-tone door handle, now in chrome and high-gloss black, underscores the Maybach philosophy. Even the smallest detail is worthy of attention. Two new forged wheels in a multi-spoke design enrich the portfolio. A 21-inch MANUFA KTUR wheel with an elegant gold finish, and a 20-inch wheel with classically elegant, polished surfaces. The floating star at the center of all forged wheels in silver finish remains upright thanks to a precisely engineered ball-bearing mechanism. It thus embodies the sovereign grace that has always been associated with Maybach and the highest level of luxury. The Night Series design package represents a darker, more contemporary interpretation of Maybach elegance. Paint finishes in various shades of grey, black and white, or a two-tone paint scheme in obsidian black Mojave silver combined with dark chrome accents enhance the visual drama for the first time. The Night Series can now also be combined with nautical blue metallic. The optional design package offers two exquisite interior color schemes: black Maybach exclusive Napa leather or MANUFA KTUR deep white black pearl. A delicate mother-of-pearl effect on selected surfaces, along with gold-gray piping, underscores the handcrafted refinement of the interior. The engine range has been comprehensively revised and prepared for future emissions regulations. At the top of the model range in European and some other markets 5 is the latest evolution of the 8-cylinder engine, M177 Evo, in the Mercedes Maybach S680. With 450 kilowatts plus 17 kilowatts, and a maximum torque of 850 plus 205 Newton-meters. It offers more power and even more direct responsiveness, on par with the current 12-cylinder engine. Technical updates and mild hybrid technology, ISG 2.0, ensure smooth, linear power delivery with efficient energy recuperation. 2 Lanchester balance shafts ensure exceptional smoothness. In selected markets, the Mercedes Maybach S680 remains available with the popular 450 kilowatts V12 engine M279. In the Mercedes Maybach S580, the now more powerful 8-cylinder engine develops 395 kilowatts plus 17 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 750 plus 205 Newton-meters. The revised 6-cylinder gasoline engine M256 Evo in the Mercedes Maybach S580e with EQ hybrid technology responds more spontaneously and offers an even more confident and effortless driving experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.